Now once you got all those bars on, you want to come back to this original loop knot that you tied off on the upper cord and pull that straight without any slack. And now you can just walk around the bar, the instrument, and for every bar, pull out all the slack. You can leave a little bit. It's okay if it's a little bit loose, because after all you want those bars to vibrate. And so the idea is not to be cinching down the bars, but just to have something there so that when somebody really plays it enthusiastically, it's not going to go whomping off, bouncing off into the audience or something. But beyond that, you want a little bit of slack in there, and it's not a big concern. Okay, so now everything is where it needs to be. I'll take the loose end of the cord, the top cord, and bring it in again from the inside. And by bringing these cords from the inside to the outside, now I can access my knotting from the outside without having to reach in or do something. So now we're going to learn the funnest part of all, which is how to tie this final knot and make it adjustable.